Y'all, I hate bitches who literally like try to look over their shoulder or like fucking try to look at you to make sure you don't like just because they don't want to be your fucking friend, they act like you're a fucking like they act like you're like a fucking like bear or some shit and like you're gonna fucking attack them. Like, bitch, if you don't want to be my friend, if you don't fuck with me, then leave me the fuck alone. Stop looking at me, stop looking over your shoulder. Like, act like I don't even exist, okay? You know what? Like, bro, I hate when people just act like you're a disease. Like, okay, if you don't want to be my friend, I don't care. I don't care. Fuck off. I don't like you anyway. Whatever. Like, just because you're mad at your life doesn't mean you can treat me like shit. Like, I don't care. Just leave me alone, okay? I already know the details of your life and know that you're not fucking happy with life, okay? So just leave me the fuck alone. Like, oh my god. Fucking drives me insane. I hate